Hi everyone, I am Jedaidah Chilufya and I am your instructor for this summer research intensives course in microbiology research. So I'm a PhD student at the University of Massachusetts Amherst, and my research focus is plant microbiology and genetics. So I love microbiology because it is so diverse. It has so many different fields and like it affects so many different aspects of our lives. Like microbiology is a component of like medicine, a component of like the food industry, the pharmaceutical industry, water quality, sewage treatment, genetics, and so on and so forth. And so as a microbiologist, you get to interact with all these different people, getting to like know more about like how these microorganisms, like the tiny little creatures, like how they affect so many aspects of our lives. So as we know, microbes are everywhere, right? Some are good, some are bad. You have the bacteria, you have the viruses, you have the fungi, you have the microscopic algae, the microscopic worms and microscopic nematodes, and so on and so forth. And so in the past several decades, scientists have learned so much about microbiology, but there's still so much more that we need to learn. And this makes it very exciting. And so I look forward to like meeting you all and doing this course together as we learn and we explore microbiology together. So I did my undergrad back home at the University of Zambia. And the moment I learned how to use a microscope, I fell in love with microbiology because finally I could like observe these little tiny creatures that are too small to see with our naked eyes, but like under a microscope, they will be like beaming and like moving and they're like so diverse. And I'm like, oh my gosh, like these little tiny things can do so much and they affect so many parts of our lives. And so that really got me hooked onto microbiology. And so when I completed my undergrad, I decided to pursue graduate school. And that's how I applied to study a master's in Tennessee. And that's how I came to the US. And so during my master's study, I worked with plants, and that was a great experience for me. And so when I finished my master's, I decided, oh, I think I want to pursue PhD. I want to like, kind of like specialize in a particular field, learn more, get more into research. And so at that point, I told myself, like, okay, maybe let me try and combine my undergrad microbiology and my master's of plant study. And so I decided to apply for grad school in like plant microbiology. And that's how I came to UMass Amherst. And so for the past 5 years, I've had a great time like learning, exploring, learning more about microbiology of plants and genetics. And so I look forward to doing this course with you together, where we like learn like the general aspects of microbiology, like the different fields, the impacts of microbes on humans, and the impact of microbes on plants. And we also get to do a short research on soil microbiology. And so I look forward to meeting you all and doing this course together.